Ebirekaana bubonero bwa success. Because you are going somewhere, then someone is trying to stop you. Someone is trying to hinder you. Abantu bakuba enkokola kubanga olina gy'olaga. Bakuterayo amakuli n'emisanvu. Ekinsanyusa Katonda waffe akimanyi nti the ground is not leveled. God is aware. He knows everything. He is all-knowing. He is omnipotent. He is omniscient. He is omnipresent. You know, he says in the book of Isaiah chapter 45 verse 2 that I will go before you and straighten the crooked places. This world is crooked, but you shall pass there.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.